welcome to Bon Habitude. At Bon Habitude, we have various classes for children, school students, and adults of different ages. You can learn English through dancing, singing, and games, speeches, conversations in the children's classes. As for the school students, are you worried about your studies? Don't worry, you can count on us. We give different kinds of classes. We even give lessons of ACAN, TOEIC, and TOEFL. As for the adults classes, you can learn many useful expressions and idioms for your daily life, for traveling, or even business. Or do you want to tell a joke in English? It is fun and exciting. Why don't you drop by and chat with us? Japan is a big country. It's a rich country. But if you try to step a small step forward and step out of Japan, you can even make yourself bigger and richer. Remember, English is not a second language anymore. It's a common language. Bon habitude. Have a good habit.